Hey, welcome back. If you are managing Apple devices in your organization, linking Microsoft Intune with Apple Business Manager is one of the most important things you can do. It unlocks automated device enrollment, app deployment, and so much more. In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect the two, step by step. Let's get started. Head into Intune and click on Devices. Under Device Onboarding, click Enrollment, then click on Apple. Now click on Enrollment Program Tokens. Click on Create. You will now see a setup wizard with a few steps. Start by checking the I agree box. Then click Download your public key and save that file. You will need it shortly. Now click the link that says Create a Token via Apple Business Manager. And this is where it gets interesting. This will take you over to Apple Business Manager. Sign in with your Apple ID. Quick tip here, use a shared or organizational Apple ID, not your personal one. You do not want this token tied to someone's personal account. When it is time to renew next year, you need to make sure that account is still accessible. Once you are signed in, click on Devices in the left menu. Then click on Management Services and click Setup. You will now see an option to connect your external device management. Give your device management service a meaningful name, something that clearly identifies your Intune tenant. You will also see an option that says Allow this service to release devices. This is optional, so decide based on your organization's needs. Next, upload the public key file you downloaded earlier from Intune. Then click Next. Apple Business Manager will now generate a token. Download it. Now head back to Intune. Enter the Apple ID email address that was used to sign in and create the token. And again, document this somewhere safe. It matters every single year at renewal time. You do not want to be searching for this information under pressure when your token is about to expire. Finally, upload the token file you just downloaded from Apple Business Manager, hit upload, then click next. And that is it. Your Intune tenant is now linked to Apple Business Manager. This connection is what makes zero-touch device enrollment possible, where a brand new iPhone can be unboxed and automatically configured without IT ever touching it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. More Intune and Apple Business Manager tutorials are on the way. See you in the next one.